Hey, I've been thinking about a new service that I want to add to our lineup, and I've got a few ideas that I want to start rolling out in the next couple of weeks. What? No, listen, I love your enthusiasm, and new ideas can be really great, but we need to talk about how all of these changes could be affecting your audience. What do you mean? Here's the thing, switching up your offerings too much or trying to execute too many ideas at one time can really confuse your audience. They might not understand what your brand is really about or even what you're offering. And when people get confused, they tune you out. But I'm just trying to keep things fresh and exciting. I totally get that. And it's really important to stay innovative, but it's also really crucial to be consistent and clear about what your brand stands for. If you keep changing things up, your audience is really gonna struggle to keep up, and they're probably gonna end up not engaging at all. Okay, so what should I do? Let's focus on solidifying your core offerings first. Once we've established that, then we can slowly start to introduce new ideas to your audience in a way that makes sense for them, not just for you. It's about creating that strong foundation before we can start building new rooms, so to speak. Okay, I see your point. Let's focus on the essentials first. Perfect. We'll streamline the message and make sure that your audience is on board before we introduce anything new. We want to make sure that they're excited, not overwhelmed, okay?